Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually fix it when your Fortnite disconnects you from a match. Now it's a very easy process and I'm going to show you a couple of methods. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Fortnite and go down to your account. Now to the top right here you find the settings in the settings wheel in the button. And from there go to settings. Now this will take you to the settings. Now from there all we have to do is go to the little cogwheel right here and it will go to the language and region. Now here we have the auto matchmaking region. It's very important that you set this to the lowest amount of MS possible, so auto in my case. If you select a other region, it happens that you get higher ping, a higher latency, and from there Fortnite can actually kick you out of the game because you have a too high of a ping. Now the next thing that we want to do is go to the graphics, the display settings. Now from here we scroll down because sometimes it can happen that you are let's say you have a PC that can't run Fortnite properly, so we have to set the graphics manual. So simply change it from auto set to the quality presets right here and make it to the lowest, because sometimes this can help as well. Simply press apply. Now once you've changed these settings, simply go and exit app out of Fortnite and I will show you some different workarounds in the Epic Games launcher. So simply open up your Epic Games launcher right here. Now sometimes it happens that Fortnite loses some of its data, so their files are corrupt. Now how we can fix this, it's very easy. We go down to the Fortnite player, we right click it and we go to manage. Now this will open up a little window and here we can actually verify the files in our Fortnite game. So simply verify it and it will start a little download. Now what this will do, it will check the game for corrupted files, because sometimes when there are files missing, for example, the game can't run properly and it will kick you out automatically. Now this will probably fix the issue for you. If you still run into this issue, please leave it in the comments down below. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching this video.